Hey everyone, here's Aaron the Black Dragon, and today we're gonna draw a bird! Pokémon Fusion. Because today is Draw a Bird Day, which I did not know was a thing, but apparently it is, so today we're gonna draw bird Pokémon Fusions. I already picked 3 out that I created in this beautiful Poké Fusion site, link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. They are fun, they are cool, and they make really interesting looking creatures. And I thought I'm gonna go ahead and make the fusions beforehand, because getting 2 bird Pokemon specifically and also randomly fused together took quite some time, and I didn't want to waste too much time on just trying to get a fusion in. So these are the Pokemon. Jump in, try to make the fusions yourself. I'm gonna paint them on paint again with my mouse, because that's what I do. I do stuff on paint. I have a better drawing thing. I have a critter with which I also make my thumbnails, but I somehow always get drawn towards paint when it comes to videos. So we're drawing on paint, and I'm gonna go from left to right, not from right to left. And we're gonna start off with Ruffria, which is looking just gorgeous. So I'm really interested in how I can make that happen. So let's just start it off. I'm gonna make them big over here. This is my drawing surface right here. And then I'm gonna make them small, take them and make them small over there once we're done with everything. Also have them in paint so that I can just click on the colors and drag them over, so that we can make a little bit of niceness happen there. Anyway, I'm also gonna restrict myself from undoing anything. So I can erase something, but not a whole line that I did, and I cannot undo anything. So whatever I do, it will stick. So let's start it off with the first thing, that is head shape. And we're going there. There's the stomach. First cloudy puff, second cloudy puff, and we have here the talons sticking out. I feel like right now I'm making this also a 1. Once the pen is sitting, you have to do the stuff kind of thing. I'm just gonna complete the shape that is not good. Well, actually, we are here at the neck, so we're okay. Is the rest of the head? Okay. They're not looking alike. I do not care. This is shape. So, let's give you... I don't know why I choose to do something like this, but it's fun. Okay, there we go. That is your feather. I think I would need to make the pen a little bit bigger, but I can't. Can I? I can't, can I? I can. Oh. Do I get a redo for that? I'm gonna get 1 redo. Okay, now that we had a redo, I made the I made the stroke size a little bit bigger so that it looks better. So let's just go ahead, do this again. I like it a lot more already, just because it's not as thin and feeble anymore. That looks so much better already, and I just did the same things I did last time. Just this puff goes over there. There's the neck. I'm not gonna lie, it has kind of an ET shaped head, doesn't it? It does. So then from here I need to make it a little bit bulky, and then just all the way forward. There we go. We have that, and then there's like this thingy that can be a little bit more freeform. I don't need to be too about that. And then from there goes the other one away. I like to imagine that those things attach at the back of the feather that it has in front there. So that's where I see things come together. Now all I'm missing is like that one claw over there. It's a little bit sharper than yours actually is, but whatever. It looks good. It looks okay, not good. Let's not say it looks good. And there we have like your tail feathers. Good. It is a thing so far. Now for the detailing. Also for your face. First thing that I'm gonna do before the face is... you have some cloudy puffs right there. So... and right there, that's also a cloud. Then there's a line, and that one goes in a little bit further. Let's just make it a little bit more poofy. Everything else then I will do with the coloring. So calm yourselves, we're gonna do that afterwards. Then we have like feather bushes, like splitting away like right there, like that. It also looks kind of cloudy, which is interesting. So it looks kind of like that. We will make that look a little bit prettier. Now for your face, your beak nestles in somehow like this. Also honk to whoever honked outside. There's your beak. That's a little bit bigger, but whatever. And there one nostril right there. Yeah, I kind of attaches in here. That's not 100% correct, but whatever. Oh, that eye looks miserable. I'm super... okay, that's supposed to be the white, so I'm gonna make it like this. Because the rest of it will become black anyway, so we won't see that anymore. And there you go. I'm sorry for what I've done to you. Okay, let's go and grab ourselves the color blue and make this shape there. So I need to make sure that they are closed there. I think they are. I hope they are. There we go! Your face. Beautiful. And then it's actually the same thing that makes your cloudy puffs separated right there. Okay. Let's fill that and that in. Also you in the back there. Even though that kind of takes away. Whatever. And then the darkest. Sorry? Oh. Okay, I get to redo that in that case, because this is a lighter shade than the face apparently. Did not know that. So I get to do that. So there you go. That's how that's supposed to look. Looks interesting, not gonna lie. Then we're gonna take the gray and start making the tail. Oh no, I missed a spot of black. So there we go. Doesn't matter, we still can salvage that. There you go. Then we're gonna take us this one, and that is like a little bit attached right there. And the other one is just completely in that color, so bloop and bloop. Perfect. And then the rest of that is in this color. As is everything here. And we need it again. just so that we can connect this here. And just give you a little bit of a shine right here. Then right around there. Being sure they are closed. No zooming in here. Why? Because I don't know why. I have my mouth open to make sure I get this. Okay, and that should then bloop bloop. Make everything in that gray that we need there, and now we can color in the rest of the flesh. Good. Good, good, good. I think looking at that, that's a darker color, pretty sure, and that's just connecting that right there. And the rest of the beak is probably, yeah, in a lighter color. I knew it! That's not right. Is it? Yeah, no. I thought so. These eyes don't look so good. No, they do not. Please. Please, not drawing birds is hard. Especially on paint. Why am I doing this to myself? I'm a glutton for punishment. And it's kind of fun. So you have one talon right here. The other one kind of draws in like that, and then we have just the slightest hint of the last talon there, and just a little nubble right there. There's no other shades of gray, so that's good. There we have it, talon. And then over here we have another talon right there. This is completely just. And so is that. I'm gonna say it's somewhere like this. And also just a little nubble right there. And then let's fill it. No. The only reason I get to undo something is just because coloring in is the point where we're not at the high effort part anymore. So it's okay for me to undo stuff there. And then I'm just gonna, I want you to be black, black, black. Everything that I do with that now is staying the way it is. I don't get to undo anything there. Because this side has surprisingly a little bit black there as a shader, which the other side doesn't have. So that's what I wanted to paint in there. And I think that's it. That's Ruffria. Beautiful. I love this bird. So let's go in here and grab you. And I hope I can just... Oh, okay, that's... It's freeform. You're gonna shift a little bit. Also, let me make that transparent so that I can sit you just wherever I want. Need to be a little bit shorter. There you go, Ruffria. Whew, 1 down, 2 to go. It looks like a longer, less fatty version. I mean, probably if I shrink it down just a smidgen, yeah, see? A lot closer to what it originally was supposed to be. Totally fine. The next one will be a doozy. Well, the last two will be a doozy. Let's see what we can do here. So I'm starting off with the stomach, like, and then there's like the tail. Goes over there, and then there's like another wing within the whole bird that already has 2 wings, like flopping out like that, which I found really interesting. So then there goes a little bit up, and then there's your head. And here it starts just off with a beak screaming at me for what the heck am I doing? There's like a little nodule there. And that just combs over right there. And like this. Actually not like this, but whatever. And there it just goes in to there. That's your beak screaming. And what the heck did I just do wrong? Whatever. And then we just have like that hair string go a little bit there. Okay, we're doing okay, we're doing fine. Don't worry about anything, worry about everything. And then we make one wing. I never drew wings like that. So... also never drew wings with a mouse, so... whatever. It's okay. There you go. It looks. See? I told you it was gonna look. And looking it does. Let's draw the smaller wing inside of the bigger wing, because that is how wing do. So that worked out beautifully. And the other one goes away from there and there's a little notch in there and will go off screen, so I'm just gonna draw it a little bit shorter. You can sue me for that. I will sue me for that myself. I drew it a little bit too low and does not look too good. Whatever. Let's just do the second one in there. Yeah, just whatever. The second, don't focus on the second wing. It's like, we don't care about that. Let's next up do the talons. One talon is like rather prominent. Right here, go in, go around, big swooping talon. And then it just kind of ends right there. Why? I do not know, but that's kind of what it looks like. The other one starts from there, and goes out. Yeah! Not too happy about that. And then we have like the tail feathers there at the end. I just drew perfectly into that. So just down there. They're a little bit frayed. That's just how this bird looks. There you go. We are nearly done. We are nearly done with this bird. Like so. Like so. And then it connects. Wait, let's give you your edgy like tear that you have right there. And in there sits your eye, and that just connects all the way up there. Just have one mean slitted eye. There you go. Whew. That was difficult, but it turned out. So that started off with coloring the hair. So I need that red, please. I'm just gonna go in and around there-ish. And the other one connects with you. There you go, did that. Just need to go in and give you your shine all there. it's not a perfect shine on this part, so whatever. Okay, so that's approximately what it looks like. It does not really look like that, but approximately. I'm totally fine with how that looks right there. Everything else is in the same shade of red, if I'm seeing that correctly. So we're okay with that. I'm pretty sure this is just standard-eyed black. Yeah, there's a little spot right there that I would love to hit, but I can't, so whatever. So let's make your beak that is a little bit darker at this spot right there where you're higher up. Interesting. Actually seems to come kind of low there, so let's just make it like this. Whatever. And then make the rest of your beak go up. It kind of looks like there's like a surprisingly dark area right there, so I just do that, and the inner of your mouth is, sorry, missed that, is that color. So there you go. There you diddly do. I'm gonna go ahead and say from here. So this is where say your goiter ends and it goes over and under. Ta-da! That's how that looks to me. It doesn't, but whatever. And now with the lighter one, I'm gonna just continue on down here. And from the wing, I'm just gonna draw that. Gonna go over. Not all the way over, because it obviously, right here, connects with the rest of the feathering, so we need that to be a little bit stand out. I want to make the head completely finished, so let's just continue on there. That's from your spot and just goes up. Then around. It's probably a little bit too high, but who cares? The answer is probably a few people, but you draw that on paint and then you can tell me that I don't know what the heck I'm doing, and I probably agree with you. Also, everyone who has actually drawing pads, that is not good, sorry. And can do beautiful stuff with that on like anything like paint or whatever. I highly admire you. Also, does paint work with like drawing pads? I don't know. If it does, please let me know, because that'd be interesting. And whoa, slipped. I can actually, seeing how we have that already going, give you your color right there. And I will just go ahead, because the wings get just detailing with that. The head is completely done by the looks of it, so I'm happy about that. So let's see, you get detailing from around here, down, and over there. It comes back here and goes down to there. That is around the detailing that you have right there. The third one, so right there is something. Right there you can see something. That just goes down to here, and from there it goes over like this. I think that's about right. I'm honestly always really surprised at how moderately okay these turn out at the end. Just with coloring them, I'm honestly surprised, because I go into that with the confidence of, well, that's gonna be an interesting thing this time around. And it's not gonna look like anything, and then I'm always surprised at how much I actually can fix up in the process of just doing this whole thing. Except for the back wing. It looks horrendous and I'm proud of it. Let's go for your stomach. Which is not what I wanted to do right now. That is where I wanted to go. Which goes like here and has then like drop-ins, like spikies, which is interesting. And then it just goes over there. And then there's just a slit from, let's say, around there. And it just takes over rather quickly. And boop, there you go. And I'm gonna take that to just finish that over there up. And the rest of that is gonna be this color. And just because it's just a smidgen of it over here that's a little bit darker, we're gonna give it a little bit darker shade over there. Why not? Why not? Let's make the wing. Which from there is like... I have the wrong tool out the whole time. Just goes like here. It's like a spike up. It's down again, spike up. Then it makes like this bobble right there. Making sure it's closed. And then at the tail, well actually not tail end, this is like the wing tip. Oh no, no, I goofed up here. We cannot let that happen. There you go. And now, there you go. There's a few little white specks in there, but I think it's actually better than what it was last time, so whatever. Let's go for your talons now. Because why not? One talon here. The other talon actually is drawn like there. And we have one over here. But there the same goes, like a little one here. You can only barely see that one. And then there's just this one. Huge. Like ginormous. Let's just paint them in completely. And then go back for a little bit of detailing on the other talon, because that has more stuff going on than just that. Like here is something. That right there is also something. And just to make them look separated, I'm gonna give you here a little bit of detail. So no, that's not closed. I see it this time. I caught myself. And I still effed it. Because I did not see that it's open up there. Is it still open? I think it is. Hopefully you enjoyed me being that close to the camera. It happens from time to time. And then this talon actually has a little bit of gray in it. So let's just go and make that a little bit gray then. Boop. And the other ones are just white the way it looks. And maybe that one has just like a little speck right there, but not enough to use the bucket on that. So maybe like right there something? I don't know. Drawing from pixels is a little bit wonky at times. You don't know what is supposed to be shading and what isn't. This is like ruffled a little bit there. It's pretty clean cut off, and the other one doesn't even have shading because we only see the tail end. So shimmer, shimmer, we're good. And then give me the darker one. And so that I can just finish those off. And then let's do you. And squiggle, squiggle. Something like this. Beautiful. Ta-da! We have it done. Pidgeotto. Honestly, okay. Drawing the first things is always like, it's not gonna look good. And then the further I get along, the more I'm like, it actually might end up looking like something. You need a bit more squoosh. Like squoosh, there you go. Pitch low. 2 down, 1 more to go. If I ever thought this was gonna be a fast video, never mind that. So now the big problem, but I just could not do it because it looked so amazing. Also, it has 3 hands. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but it's gonna be a beautiful. So I'm honestly not sure where to start here, so I'm gonna start all the way at the bottom and work my way up, I guess. Or from the body and squeeze everything into. And just know I need more space to the side because of the wings. This thing is a mess. Oh no, wrong color. Need you to be black. Let's start it off right there. A line there. Making it a little bit there. Bausch it out. Bausch it out in every way. And then I'm gonna ignore the tail end. Don't know how to connect the other foot, so I'm just gonna improvise there. That's like a little tiny foot there. What the heck happened with you? I mean, so it looks like a hot mess down there. I completely agree with everyone that says that, but that's, well, sorry. I'm gonna undo that because I don't know what happened. I just touched my mouse and was like, spasm! And yeah, so I'm just gonna draw your stomach in. Could have been a little bit fattier, but whatever. Then I'm gonna go and give you your swinging arm. And then I'm gonna just finish off rounded there and draw it back. Like really muscular, like Popeye arms. From there, it's such a mess on what to do with this thingy right there, because there's just so much going on that is honestly not really easy to describe. Because that it's just ending there. Ish. So I need to make clear for me right away this is where the claws are in. Which I think that would be part of it. Don't know. So there's just 2 claws in there. So like here, 2 claws. These are the claws. And then there's like 1 spike over there, and then we have like it just goes down there, and immediately again making sure that I understand nothing, because there is nothing to understand. That is a claw, and that is a claw. We've created a monster right here. I'm happy about that, but I don't know what to do with you. So you have like, I'm gonna go down here for a moment. That is your mouth-ish kind of place. And then over and up there. There's like this weird little bumpy thing before it just continues down. There's like you have like a ringoider or something, which I find really interesting because I don't think any form of you has like a ringoider. So where did that come from? Why? Also there's like a tooth right there. Okay. There's now a lot of empty space there that I can't just fill up with. There's something going on probably in the background, so whatever. Also, I probably should just make sure that this right here is my claw at the bottom. My tiny, teeny tiny claw. There's an additional claw in here. And like over there. And that is its other claw and whatever. Ah! Why is this so weird looking? I don't know, but it fascinated me, so I took it. And then all the way there. I don't really care. Am I already dead? Please let me know if that's the case. I would appreciate some peace and quiet. That is kind of where it needs to be. Gonna put your arm there. This is surprisingly easy. And then just whoop. This is not as intuitive as other Poke Fusions that we've drawn in the past. Because this one is like a hot mess. You're gonna... Okay, that's just connected there. And your arm's gonna go here. Okay. Did it. Differentiating between your claw again, because I will never find out what your claw is. Again, this is part of your claw. And it just reaches in there. Okay! Okay. It looks as garbled up as it is in reality, so I think I'm doing an okay job at capturing this hot mess of Arcorio. There we go. Coloring that in will also be kind of its own beast, if you think about it. So there's like a feather talon that is actually... Now, that piece right here. Okay. That just connects there. Cool, 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 cool. Yo. Let's have that thing. Just gonna make it ruffled a little bit. Is it a logical thing that I'm doing right here? Does it make sense to anyone how the thing looks? Can anyone please try to describe its anatomy to me? Well, actually, it's my fake mon here, so it is my job to explain how everything works and why that thing has 3 hands and only 1 bottom claw. I'm making this worse as they are, but whatever. Let's just make it look cool, whatever. It looks like a mess and I love it. But yeah, this thing is... It loves hot salsa dancing and eating little babies. And don't know, panicking slightly. Now for the easiest part on the whole thing. Just a tail. Like, it's just like a leaf, and it's nice, and it's easy, and it's done! Look at it! It looks... Honestly, I kinda like how it looks even drawn right now, because you have no association to what the heck is going on here. And that's kind of cool. I'm gonna start it off with making the face, because I think everything will get a little bit more of a feel to it once that is drawn in. So you get that eye there, and all the way to the goiter. Yes. There you go, that's beautiful. And then on these dark red spots that just draw away from the eyes, like edgy face tattoos and whatnot. And just like a tear through your face right there. It looks cool, I love it. Then I also should make, like, really, why doesn't it, thank you. Should just make like sure that I keep my 2 spots for the teeth down there. Because right now we're just gonna fill in the mouth with that. I do not care at all. Also I should make them nostrils. Not with the filling bucket. So there you go. There you go. So your eye is just really sharp right there, and then it comes down a little bit. You look a little bit meaner than you actually are, but nobody cares about that. There's actually a blue extra goiter thing in here-ish. So I'm just gonna draw that as a line. And gonna take that blue as my border, and there's like the extra goiter around here-ish. And then let's fill that up. And then take the darker one and fill the back area. And give you your lines that you have in your face to make you look even more badass than you already are. There you go. Look cool. You're gonna get an extra one because your face is a little bit longer, I think, than your actual face should have been, so it's kind of on me. And there's extra darker spots right there that I cannot fill in with the bucket anymore, so I'm gonna have to draw them in by hand. There you go. Darkness envelops us all. As it should at one point. And blue, the goiter. So, I'm now only drawing in your eye and your face is all done. Why doesn't it want to give me black? Give me black, please. Why are you a prick? Paint. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm not 100% happy with how the face turned out because I made it a little bit more chunky, but I mean the chunk is okay. Let's make it darker because it obviously is darker in the original as well. It's just small, so we cannot really see it. And then I'm just gonna take the dark green and gonna make the rest of the thingies right there. It's just gonna go in and be a thing, and like this foot or something. Cool, that is everything on that part. Cool. We're getting it done. Coloring it in. Nice and easy. I'm gonna make the bottom first because the bottom looks like the thing that's easier to do overall. I say slightly panicky, but still good enough in form. Okay, that should be fine. Boop. That does not look correct, but whatever. Whatever. I think we are fine. We might not be fine though. So this whole is darker, and then the rest of you is lighter. Not like that, the rest of you. Ah! There we go. Everyone's saying right now, oh, you could just zoom in and do it like... No! We can't. It is not possible. It is absolutely impossible that we zoom in even 1 inch closer to anything right here, because it would just ruin the illusion. I just drew on you. I did not wanna draw on you, I wanted to take your color. Okay, actually something else happened and I'm really confused right now. Really confused, there you go. Anyway, lines. Let's make the lines. There you go. I think they're actually lighter over here. Whatever, I do not care about that amount of detail right now. I kind of do, but that's not how you fill in a thing. There you go. This wing is surprisingly just light blue, so that makes my life easier, as is that thing just light blue. I like it when the thing, it gets easy for me, because that way I can't goof it up more. Which is also kind of a shame, because there's some certain beauty to goofing things up like that. So I need you to be like this. There as well. And you also. There you go. There. Oh no! Mario! Oh no! That was bad. Okay, anyway, let's continue on with what I was originally doing. And that is slightly losing my mind over this whole thing, because right now I'm basically just stalling so that I don't have to do the hands. Which is the weirdest stuff to do. I'm gonna go in here, that's just in that color, done. This is just like a clear cutoff here, so that's also cool. And on you there's like just one. Let's make it right there. I don't know, wait, that's the other hand already. I don't know what I did there. Oh no! Whatever. You're that. You're too much. I can't handle you right now. Thank you for your patronage. Boom. Why is everything weird? Because I'm drawing Pokefusions yet again. What am I doing? I don't know. Help, please. Please send help. Desperately need a friend. Starting to sound a little bit like the one with angel theme. I need help. These calls. Okay, cool. I think. No! I thunked, but I was wrong with thunking that. There you go. And now just go in and use the gray. That claw has gray, and that claw actually has gray. That one doesn't. It's only white at the tip actually. Just as you are. Right here, just gray. And I already filled it in completely. You will be skipped. You will be skipped hard. No, not that. There you go. And now to finish it all off in a beautiful manner, the last piece of greenery. Or turquoise actually. Plop. And plop. There you go! We did it! Our choreo. It is a beautiful mess. I kinda still like how it turned out, and at the same time, I'm extremely confused about everything that's going on. Overall, I'm really happy with them. Let's make you small so that you fit in, all compressed and stolen of your real form, just because the compression on paint is just horrendous. But look at them! All my bodies there. The way they should look and the way they do look. All a little bit more disgruntled. I think the best from how they came out is actually Pidgeotto. Which is totally fine with me. I mean, it looks fun, it looks cool. And the one that obviously looks the most chaotic is Arcorio, because it already is freaking chaotic. So what could I have added to that? Nothing. And Ruffria is just Ruffria. There's like nothing I could improve on that design. Anyway, that's going to be it. I drew my birds for this day. Hope you enjoyed them. See you next time. Bye.